Dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss about Fourier series. So very easiest problem, easy to understand. Before we are going to proceed the problem, so you just give the like symbol and subscribe this channel. Okay, obtain a Fourier series expansion for e power x in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi. Before we are going to proceed the problem, you must concentrate on three things. One is given f of x, that is e power x, and an interval from minus pi to plus pi. And third thing, the question, obtain a Fourier series expansion, isn't it? So we have to clear on it, then we can proceed. So the given f of x is e power x, interval minus pi to plus pi. According to that, the Fourier series expansion is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. A naught is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x dx. A n 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x cos nx dx. B n is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx. Then, so this is the next thing. A naught. A naught equal to 1 by pi from minus pi to plus pi f of x dx. So f of x can be replaced by e power x. Now integrate e power x, it will be again e power x. So right side I have written the formula. So make use of it. So 1 by pi, now I am going to apply the upper limit minus the lower limit. So e power pi minus e power minus pi. So already we know the formula 2 sin h pi is equal to e power pi minus e power minus pi. So that is the formula. So I have written in this place. So see this formula. So according to this formula, I can write this one. A naught is equal to 2 by pi sin h pi is the answer of A naught. So let me move to the next one. Let us find A naught, An. 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x cos nx dx. So f of x e power x cos nx dx. If the integrand has only one function, we can integrate easily. So if the integrand has more than one function like e power x cos nx, we cannot integrate directly. We can apply the another method. We cannot apply integration by parts. So that I can apply the next formula, integral e power x cos bx dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b squared of a into cos bx plus b into sin bx, isn't it? So let us apply this formula. We can solve the a naught, an, isn't it? Okay, now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to n. Now an equal to 1 by pi e power x 1 by 1 e power x by 1 plus n squared cos nx plus n into sin nx from minus pi to plus pi, isn't it? So I take the denominator 1 divided by pi into n squared plus 1 e power x cos nx plus n into e power x sin nx, and then from minus pi to plus pi. Just apply the upper limit first, then minus the lower limit, isn't it? Wherever we have x. So 1 by pi n squared plus 1 keep as it is, and then e power x will be e power pi, cos nx will be cos n pi plus n into e power pi sin n pi, upper limit over, minus the lower limit e power minus pi cos of minus n pi plus n into e power minus pi sin of minus n pi. So 1 by pi n squared plus 1 e power pi cos n pi. What about sin n pi? Will be 0, sin pi 0. What about cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta? Okay, let us apply the formula. So we have only e power pi cos n pi minus e power pi minus pi cos n pi. I can take cos n pi outside. So e power pi minus e power minus pi. It will be 2 sin h pi. So what about cos n pi? It is minus 1 whole power n. So I can apply in this place. So an will be minus 1 whole power n into 2 into sin h pi by pi into n squared plus 1. So this is a answer of an. Now I can find bn. So let us apply the formula. Bn equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. So f of x replaced by f e power x. Again I cannot apply integration by parts here. So another formula, integral e power ax sin nx dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a into sin bx minus b into cos bx. So this is a suitable formula. Here a is equal to 1, b equal to n. So just supply 1 by pi e power x by 1 square plus n square into sin nx minus n into cos nx, overall minus pi to plus pi, the limits. Then here e power x sin nx minus n into e power x cos nx, just multiply e power x into the bracket term. I take the denominator outside, so pi into n square plus 1. Okay, now the next one, bn equal to 1 by pi n square plus 1. Just substitute the upper limit first, then the lower limit, isn't it? Okay, so 1 by pi n square plus 1 of minus n e power pi cos n pi plus n into e power minus pi cos n pi. So here I can apply these following four formulas, isn't it? So according to the four, I can get only the two terms. Okay, now minus n cos n pi divided by pi into n square plus 1 e power pi minus e power minus pi. Already we know the formula for e power pi minus e power minus pi, that is 2 into sin h pi. So and cos n pi replaced by minus 1 whole power n. So this is the answer for I think bn. Now the equation number 1 becomes, isn't it? So 1 becomes f of x 2 sin h pi by 2 pi, that is a0 by 2, plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 2 minus 1 whole power n sin h pi divide by pi into n square plus 1 into cos nx, plus the third term summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus n minus of minus 1 whole power n 2 into sin h pi by pi into n square plus 1 sin nx. So this is a thing. And final f of x will be sin hx sin h pi divided by pi. You cannot cancel both pi, that is parameter, it is the denominator, isn't it? We cannot cancel. So sin h pi by pi 2 sin h pi by pi summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n by n square plus 1 cos nx minus n into sin nx. Thank you, my dear students. Kindly put the comments in the chat box. Thank you.